Well, new addition to the driveway, 98 Porsche Boxster base. So it's a 2.5 liter 5-speed, 1998 in, I don't know what the name of the color is. It's dark blue with gray leather interior and ugly chrome wheels, which are going to go. But this will be the source of a few projects in the next few weeks once we get around to them, because I've got so much other stuff on the go right now. But bit of a tease, this is coming up. Rides, drives, all the mechanical stuff is done perfectly. It's had like $8,000 in mechanical work done on it, all of the necessary mechanical things that go wrong with these cars. 170,000 original kilometers, which is around 105,000 miles. Anyway, a couple little things to be done. That's why I got a deal on it. So anyway, this will be coming up in the next couple of weeks, projects on this one. ML350, just dead reliable. SLK 320, reliable as hell. Never issues with it. So yeah, actually this car is going to be sold. I love it, but can't have a million cars around, so this one will be going very shortly.